think of.
You fucking cunt-licking, putrid, pussy-farting son of a faggot-ass bitch. Oh, that's too much. Sorry. That's just horrid. Yeah, I feel bad saying that. You cunt-flopping, pussy-licking, dick-smacking, fucking anus-tweaking son of a bitch. I just got a text. And I'm going to text my asshole to your fucking cunt. And I'm going to text shit onto your text cunt. And then have text shit coming out of your text cunt on top of your mouth. Which is going to then... Oh, another text. That's going to be throw up on top of your fucking cunt. Text cunt that has shit all over it. Then I'm going to shove your face and nuzzle it with your nose into your own dirty, shitty cunt. And I'm going to have some guy, just random guy, I'm going to pay him $100 to come up and fucking eat just like pasta right out of your shitty cunt. And then he's going to be like, wow, this is some shitty pasta. I'm like, yeah, you think that's bad? You should taste the tuna. And he's like, what? There's tuna? Yeah, it's going to be bad. And then there's going to be some fucking leg display where your legs are spread open and you're going to fart the fucking shit out of your asshole and your fucking cunt at the same time and like spray it all over a canvas. And then some artist is going to see this and be like, wow, this is amazing. He's going to try to give you $200. I'm going to say, no, that is mine because I'm the one who originally started the shit into her cunt and asshole. But then I'm going to take that money, I'm going to buy a fucking bull mastiff dog, and I'm going to have him throw up the nastiest fucking dog food I can find on your face, and then he's going to then continue to throw up on the ground. You're going to eat that throw up while you have his throw up on your face. Then you're going to take a shit as you're doing that on top of a cat. The cat is going to be disturbed, start clawing at your fucking calves. Your bloody calves are then going to be covered in shit and cat fur and blood. And then I'm going to take that leg and somehow put you on a pretzel, so then you're licking this shit-covered bloody leg. I'm going to then have your grandmother, I'm going to dig your grandmother up out of the grave and make you lick her skeleton pussy with all of this on top of you. And I'm going to take that picture alone, put it on YouTube, and I'm going to take a video of it, put it on YouTube, and then you're going to get 1 million hits for this shit-covered bloody calf, skeleton-licking, vagina, cunt, asshole, shitfest, and then you're just gonna become this famous whore and not fucking give me any money whatsoever, even though I'm the one who filmed this and came up with the whole idea. Then I'm gonna come to your house, I'm gonna take a baseball bat to your fucking knees, I'm gonna crack those knees open, I'm gonna then take a fucking just raw, like, surgical knife, just to cut your kneecaps open. I'm gonna use your kneecaps as fucking Mancala pieces and play Mancala with your fucking kneecaps as I take a shit on your dog that you probably just bought with all that money. And then I'll be like, yeah, how does that feel? Your shit-covered dog. Then I'm gonna take him and I'm gonna fucking, like, make him bleed, shit bleed. Like, I'm gonna kick him around a little bit and I'm gonna make him bleed shit all over your forehead and spell out on your forehead, I'm a sellout. And then I'm going to make you walk around outside and I'm going to shove vodka down your throat. And then when you throw it back up, I'm going to then continue to take that vodka that you threw back up and put it in a beer bong. And I'm going to bong it down your asshole and give you a fucking vodka throw up enema. And then you're going to...
What? Who are you talking